or whatever, Fudge I think it is, the Fudge Shop. I've been calling it the Cheese Shop, the Fudge Shop. What a dickhead I am. Fudge Shop, Fudge Shop. Okay, so we can go home by turning right here, which we will do on the way home. We'll come back and go that way down Pine Creek Road. This is interesting, little bit of road work here. One way up, one way down for a short period, short distance. And that's the way down. Right, now it's two-way again. There's a real drop in temperature. I can feel the cold air going through my mesh jacket. And it says it's 23. I don't believe it. Look at these tall trees. Straight, tall trees. Hello. Here we are, the cheese shop. And it opens at 9, it's 9:30, so let's go in and have some cheesecake or whatever, Fudge I think it is, the Fudge Shop. I've been calling it the Cheese Shop, the Fudge Shop. What a dickhead I am. Fudge Shop, Fudge Shop. I might pack up here on the grass, I think. There we go, up here. Right, we're here. No wonder I couldn't find it on Waze. I kept calling it the Cheese Shop. Dopey. We made it to the Fudge Shop. Nice ride up, plenty of roadworks to slow us down, but it wasn't too bad. Let's go in, get a coffee and have some fudge. Yeah, nice ride up to the Fudge Shop. Parked over here out of the way, and I'll get the drone out. A little bit overcast, a little bit cloudy, but never mind. Anyway, have a look and see what we can see. So we visited the Fudge Shop. We had a lovely coffee and a nice piece of freckle fudge. Flew the drone. Enjoyed the ride up through all of the roadworks. Righto, so let's head home the long way. So we're going to go down Pine Creek Road as an alternative, simply to miss all of the traffic stops, all the roadworks in progress